In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write on Google Meet screen in 2025. Google Meet is a powerful tool for online meetings, and knowing how to write directly on the screen can greatly enhance your presentations or collaborative sessions. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Google Calendar. This is your go-to tool for managing all your scheduled meetings and events. By navigating to Google Calendar, you ensure that you've got a good overview of your upcoming meetings and can easily access any meeting details you need. Once you're in Google Calendar, the next thing you'll do is select a scheduled Google meeting. This step is key because that's where you'll use the writing feature on Google Meet. Ensure you have everything set up beforehand so that when it's time, you can join the meeting quickly and smoothly. Now that you have selected your meeting, go ahead and click on the Join with Google Meet button. This action will direct you into the meeting platform. It's a straightforward process, but ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions during the call. After clicking Join with Google Meet, you will need to click on Join Now. This step confirms your attendance, allowing you to fully enter the meeting space where you can start engaging with your participants or colleagues. Once you are in the meeting, your next task is to look for the Meeting Tools option. Google Meet provides a robust set of tools for every user to enhance their meeting experience, so take a moment to locate these tools. They often appear as icons at the bottom of your screen or within the navigation menu. From the Meeting Tools, you will select Collaborative Whiteboard. This feature is incredibly useful for brainstorming sessions, teaching, or any scenario where visual aid could enhance understanding. This built-in whiteboard is specifically designed to make collaborative tasks smoother and more intuitive. Lastly, when you click on Collaborative Whiteboard, you will then open the whiteboard. Voila! You can now draw, write, and collaborate directly on your Google Meet screen. Use the variety of tools provided to make your point clear, whether it's highlighting specific information or illustrating complex ideas. These steps are straightforward, but if you encounter any challenges, make sure to check your permissions and settings, as these can sometimes limit access to certain features. By following these instructions, you'll find yourself writing effortlessly on your Google Meet screen in no time. Thanks for watching and happy presenting!